as you know that this letter has to be written to the school counselor, telling him or her about your decision and changes you plan to bring in your daily routine to follow this. So the points are just given to you. Some principles of Mahatma Gandhi are given to you. Truth always triumphs. Cleanliness is godliness. And there is no God higher than the truth. So, and there is one more quote here, sorry. There is both inner and outer cleanliness, and it approaches to godliness. Without inner and outer cleanliness, you cannot reach to God. God, of course, lives within us, but to reach to God, you must explore and you must have outer cleanliness and inner cleanliness. That is for most important. Your mind and heart should be clean as well as your body should be clean. So here we have this letter. First you are going to write down your address, and then this part. First your address, then date, then school address, and to the person whom you are going to write, the school counselor. You have to add the with the people in post, who are in authority. For example, you write the principal, and you write the editor. So in the same way, here you are going to write the school counselor, and then you are going to write down school name and New Delhi. There will not be any comma around here. Only after New Delhi you are going to put full stop, and you have to write down date in this way. And everything has to be written with the margin. You cannot make paragraph. That is an old format, and we also do not add to. That also goes back in old format. So in this new format we follow this one. First you are going to have your own address, then date, then school address, then subject. Now what is subject? Changes in your decision and the plans to improve. How you are going to change yourself. Respected sir, this is salutation. Then I beg to say that I am the student of class 10th of your school. You can start the letter in this way, or you can also start the letter by saying, it is to bring in your kind notice that I would like to share my ideas and thoughts on my daily routine, changes that I have got. So it is up to you how you started. English has to be correct, and the meaning making has to be formal, because these letters are formal letters, so the language has to be formal. So you have said, I beg to say that I am the student of class 10th of your school. I have made some decisions and plans to bring changes in my daily routine. So you have brought some changes, and I would like to share my thoughts on the same. Again, how you are going to change yourself. In the times of pandemic, as you know, it is more important to keep ourselves and an environment clean and healthy. I am taking all the precautions carefully, and as you know, we all are taking precautions. So we all should not throw garbage. It is very important that we should not throw anything on road, because it could spread the virus. So we all should be careful. In future, I have planned to keep personal hygiene along with my surroundings. So it is very important what you are learning in the pandemic. you follow it after pandemic also. In the pandemic is teaching too many things to us, that we must keep our hands clean, we must clean our body, we must clean our body as well, and we must not litter earth as people used to do. So it is very important that we learn to keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. That's what Mahatma Gandhi's teachings also tell us, that cleanliness is very important. If you want to reach to God, then it is important. And again, a positive mindset is also very important. If you don't have a positive mindset, then you will attract negative things. Just like in pandemic, many people have fallen very sad because they are sitting at home and not doing anything. So we all must try to overcome this time together. This is very important. That's why all the principles of Mahatma Gandhi are so important in today's lives as well. So only your positive mind can attract positive things in lives. I have decided to keep my thoughts, sorry, I have missed keep here. I have decided to keep my thoughts organized. I will keep a close watch on my emotions and thoughts to keep them positive. We all must keep a close watch on our thoughts and emotions, because if we are not keeping an eye on them, then they tend to grow and it gets messy afterwards. So I have learned it in pandemic, and Mahatma Gandhi's principles are so important in our life. We should learn to be truthful and honest, and we must help each other in these hard times. It is very important. Thank you. Yours sincerely. Then you can write down your name.